Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit popsicles. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite fresh fruit, like strawberries or blueberries, a sweetener such as honey or maple syrup, and a set of popsicle molds with sticks. Make sure your fruit is ripe for the sweetest taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, prepare your fruit. Thoroughly wash about 2 cups of your selected fruit, then chop it into smaller pieces. If you're using fruits with large seeds or tough skins, like mangoes or kiwis, be sure to remove them. For a smoother blend, you might add a small amount of water or a 1/4 cup of fruit juice to the mix. This step ensures your popsicles will have a great texture. Now it's time to blend and fill. Combine your prepared fruit with 1 to 2 tablespoons of your chosen sweetener in a blender. If the mixture is too thick, add a small splash of water or juice until it reaches a pourable consistency. Blend until smooth, then carefully pour the fruit mixture into your popsicle molds, leaving about 1/4 inch of space at the top. Finally, freeze and enjoy your delicious creations. Insert the popsicle sticks into the filled molds and place them in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours, or until completely solid. To easily remove them, run warm water over the outside of the molds for about 15 to 20 seconds. Then, simply pull them out and enjoy your refreshing, homemade fruit popsicles. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.